Rolling around and rubbing against your guitar, human, is my way of turning your music into a duet. Meow. Your bed? Oh no, human, our bed. I graciously let you share it with me. Remember, it's not your bed when I stretch out, curl up, or take over the pillows. It's the perfect spot for a cat like me to reign. When I roll on the ground, human, I'm showing off just how irresistibly cute I am. It's my secret weapon to get all the attention. Using your hand as a pillow? It's the ultimate sign of trust. Plus, it's way softer than any cushion. Meow.
Meow. Wow. Wow. Wow.